Have you ever wondered why the people we should run away from are usually the ones we run towards like they're giving free Wi-Fi? Seriously, it's like our brain sees a walking red flag and says, "Wow, aesthetic." Today we're talking about why we fall for the wrong people again and again, like it's some emotional buy one, get one free offer. Some people look wrong, act wrong, talk wrong, and our brain still goes, "Perfect! Let's do it!" Because our brain loves familiarity, not happiness. If you grew up around chaos or emotionally unavailable people, that becomes your comfort zone. So when someone doesn't text back or disappears, your brain goes, "Ah, yes, home." Another reason? The challenge effect. We want what we can't have. If someone is too nice or too available, we think, what's the catch? But the moment someone gives mixed signals, your brain lights up like a Diwali rocket. When someone gives you attention, then disappears, then comes back, your brain becomes a gambler thinking, maybe this time they'll treat me right. Spoiler alert, they won't. But don't blame yourself, blame your dopamine. To break the cycle, you need awareness. And once you choose yourself, you stop choosing red flags.